Well, it's a new day, and today is possibly us bringing back the dream, the forever car that I've been working so hard towards, as I have a full-time job, so I don't make money off YouTube or anything. It's just more of a hobby, and this is what I worked hard for. But I remember as a little kid watching Initial D, and saw one of my favorite characters, Ryosuke Takahashi. I'm like, holy shit, I want that car. I've always had it in my mind I wanted that car, even though my good mate Ben forced me to sell the EG in the way. He's like, oh, let's have 2 RX7s. So this is the opportunity raised, so I'm jumping onto the opportunity. If it needs a rebuild, it needs a rebuild. It is what it is. But let's just hope we can at least get started, maybe, and we'll see what we have to do from there. Ever since I was a kid, you know, I had my Cocoa Pops, and watching it on TV as well, I always watched this one show called Initial D. And you know what? One of the main characters was Ryosuke Takahashi, and he drove an FC RX7. Not any FC RX7, a Savannah one, which I didn't get a Savannah because they're just way too hard to get. But anyways, I bought myself my dream car. So we got it towed straight to my house, and the next day we got straight to work. We wanted to see this thing on the road. She's a working RX7! Hey, relax, let it warm up. Oh, it fucking stinks, fool! Fucking shit, goddamn! Oh, insert that clip of Transformers right now!
Please, for the love of God, drive safely!
Jesus! It sounds so good though. Oh my god, these fucking seats! It's maybe a little bit cold. Record! Holy shit! Wait, we gotta put the pop-ups up. Yeah! This is fucking fun. I need to push it, but like I've got nowhere to push it. Sounds a little rough, a little tasty. I reckon we got a boost leak somewhere. Tasty swirling noise. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. So when's chap laps, guys? Tonight! Tonight!
Go back on the video footage. I don't think it's boost, I think it's you know, pull over here, let me drive. Yeah.
I can check it out. Oh, car's dead.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
No! We're so close!
Fuck! Oh.
No!
Shit!
Fuck!
Alright.
It was fun while it lasted.
Yep. Fuck.
What should we do?
RX7 issues. If anything, we'll have to get either the E36 or the Mazda to fucking tow it back. Alright.
Well. Today we are going to be working on the FC once again, and we're going to try making it run, but relatively more make it more reliable. I know it's a rotary, so it's that shit's not that shit ain't gonna happen. But anyways, it's going to a shop this weekend to get registered and all that. And me and my brother today, we're gonna work on the fuel system because we feel like it's dumping too much fuel into the engine, or it's just bad contaminated fuel. So we'll check that out, and it should be a good morning. And we'll take it probably for another test drive, as it needs to be driven. It was locked away for a good solid 4 years, so this rotor is begging to be driven. So let's get started.
So, as you can see, we're doing rotary things. Rotary things include pulling out your fuel pump because the car's been sitting for 14 years. Was it 14 years?
I think so.
So
What do we have here?
I know, you tell me, Nathan. This is your car. I want you to explain to the audience what we're doing, and I'll slap you if you're wrong.
So we actually ripped out the turbo. And no, we ripped out the fuel pump. See if the fuel is any good. That's why maybe we're misfiring a lot and we're having a rough start. Does the fuel pump... Looks like the fuel pump's been tacked with as well.
Yeah, it looks like a second-hand unit.
You heard the fully qualified mechanic. But the fuel, on the other hand...
Actually looks good. There's minimal rust in there.
Yeah, there's just a normal...
No, it looks all good in there.
Do you think it could be the fuel pump then?
It's possible.
Look, we'll change the fuel filter and then we'll just...
Yeah, change fuel filter.
We'll just pray for the best. Who knows? Maybe the car will just run, you know, fine, mint. Once we just put the fuel pump back in, it just runs better. Who knows? But yeah, it's been a few minutes, and I finally got the fuel filter out of the RX7. It was actually pretty easy. It was legit a 5-minute job. But that's where it is. It sits down there. But anyways, a lot of fuel fell on me. But anyways, we don't talk about that. So, old one out of the bracket, and then I'm gonna fit the new one in. That's hopefully the same, but let's see how they go. Sure, but very rough.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully not. All right. See if it starts. A bit smoky. I can't, it's cold. I'm getting gas in this car, Jesus, but it sounds good. So that just doesn't idle, so if you guys know what's wrong with my car, comment below. I'm very new to rotaries, and now I'm just stuck at a point that I don't know what to look at.